Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is: can a company reports the following cost and expense in my factory? Utility 17,000, tractor labor 70,400, depreciation on factory equipment 13,550, sales salaries 50,700, depreciation on delivery truck 4,300, property taxes on factory building 3,200, indirect factory labor 53,200, repair office equipment 2,400, indirect material 35,600, factory repair 2,960, direct material used 1,37,700, advertising 15,600, factory managers salary 8,700, office supplies used 3,510. Determine the total amount of period costs. And the answer of the question is: pause the video and go through the calculation. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any question related to this video, please post a comment below. If you have any question in your mind, you can also post on the website and I will be answering you in the next video. Thank you for engaging with us. Until next video, bye bye.